Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to your favorite channel, Buy Smart, where we do all the hard work so you can buy smart. Today we have an epic drone showdown between the Holy Stone mini drone, aka Holy Mini, and the DEERC D20 mini drone, aka DEERC D20. Trust me, you don't want to miss this battle of the skies. So grab your popcorn and let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the price tag. Holy Mini is coming in hot at just $36. That's like 2 large pizzas and a soda. On the other hand, DEERC D20 is flexing with a price of $69. For that kind of cash, you could probably buy a small island, or a slightly better drone. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Holy Mini is your new best friend. But if you're feeling a bit more bougie, DEERC D20 might be worth the splurge. Next up, let's talk about fun features. Holy Mini boasts toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like a circus in the sky, perfect for impressing your friends or terrifying your pets. Reviewers love how easy it is to use and its fun factor. DEERC D20 isn't just sitting around either. This bad boy can do 3D flips and even waypoints fly, where you draw a flight path on your smartphone. Plus, it has voice control. Just yell, take off, and landing, and it obeys like a well-trained puppy. A flying, high-tech puppy. According to reviewers, it's a great entry-level drone with cool features. So Holy Mini is like the life of the party, while DEERC D20 is more like the tech-savvy show-off. Now, let's get to the paparazzi section. The camera. Holy Mini is all about the flying experience and doesn't come with a camera. So if you're hoping to become the next Spielberg of drone footage, you might want to look elsewhere. Reviewers agree it's more for fun flights than filming. DEERC D20, however, comes equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. That means you can capture some sweet aerial shots and live videos. Perfect for creating epic YouTube content or just spying on your neighbors. Kidding, don't do that. Reviewers appreciate its camera for beginner video capturing. So in the camera department, DEERC D20 is clearly the Spielberg to Holy Mini's enthusiastic film student. Let's not forget about battery life. Holy Mini comes with 3 batteries, giving you up to 21 minutes of flight time. That's like 3 rounds of Flight of the Bumblebee. Reviewers love the extended playtime. DEERC D20, on the other hand, offers 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. So it's like the tortoise and the hare, except the tortoise and hare are really tiny drones. Slight edge to Holy Mini here, but honestly, both are pretty solid for their size. Reviewers find both to have decent battery lives for their small sizes. Safety first, folks. Holy Mini has propeller guards to keep your fingers intact and the drone undamaged. It's like a little drone bodyguard. Reviewers mention its durability and ease of maintenance. DEERC D20 also features propeller guards, low-power alarm, and an emergency stop. It's like the James Bond of mini drones, equipped with all the gadgets to keep things safe. Reviewers commend its safety features and durability. So both drones are pretty much ready for anything, except maybe a tornado. Summing up the reviews, Holy Mini is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for beginners and indoor use. On the other hand, DEERC D20 receives high marks for its innovative features, camera quality, and overall value, making it a solid choice for those willing to invest a bit more. Alright, smart shoppers, it's time to wrap this up. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun-filled drone experience, Holy Mini is your go-to. But if you're willing to shell out a bit more for some high-tech features and a decent camera, then DEERC D20 is your new flying buddy. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.